Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in AutoCAD. Blocks are incredibly useful tools that combine multiple drawing objects into a single, reusable entity. They help keep your drawings organized and efficient. By using blocks, you can significantly reduce your file size and ensure consistency across your designs. Plus, making a change to one block updates all its copies, saving you a lot of time and effort. Creating a block is a straightforward process. First, you'll use the block command or access the block definition dialog box. Here, you'll select all the objects you wish to include in your new block. It's crucial to give your block a unique and descriptive name, and then specify a base point. This base point acts as the insertion point when you place the block into your drawing. Once created, inserting blocks is simple. You can use the Insert command or the convenient blocks palette. When inserting, you'll specify the insertion point, and you have options to adjust the scale and rotation of the block. If you need to modify a block's definition, the Edit command opens the block editor. To break a block back into its original components, simply use the Explode command. Utilizing blocks offers numerous advantages. They greatly enhance drawing consistency, minimizing errors across your projects. Furthermore, blocks can dramatically reduce your file size, leading to improved software performance. A best practice is to build a comprehensive library of your most frequently used blocks. Also, remember to use layers effectively within your block definitions for optimal control and organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.